all know this. Madlib from, you can also see this by some other person who's definitely not part of my channel, but he asked me. So I made my second Python code, which is called madlib.py, because some people who know Python already from Udemy, they can, yeah. So I copied Udemy, and instead of lazy dog, I wrote, instead of over the lazy dog, lazy dog. So look. So get the time, write everything. I'm giving you 5 minutes. After that, you will see what happens. So I'm just gonna show you what's gonna happen right now. Run model F5. Where you have to copy this. So then it says please enter an adjective. Smart. Yes. Smart. Smart. Enter. Noun. Man. Enter. Verb ending. K-I-L-L-D. K. And smart. So the smart man till the lazy dog. Try out some few new stuff. You can invent a better game. Why or lazy dog? I at least changed something. So thank you for watching. Please, actually no, not now. Take your time. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you need more time, just pause the video. Okay, time's up. Good.